Hi, friends. Welcome to Marriage Realities. I'm Madhi Surendran, founder of the relationship blog www.breezystorm.com and self-improvement blog www.lifereveals.com. Today's video is all about the ways to avoid divorce. Most of you want to avoid divorce at any cost. You definitely want to make your marriage work, but you hurry towards annulling your marriage because you find it near impossible to coexist with your spouse. The divorce rate among couples is rather alarming, and a successful marriage has become a rarity. Why is the sorry state of marriage so prevalent today? It's because you feel that divorce is the easiest way out of a relationship you dislike. Yes, after a few years of marriage, you feel that your spouse is not to your liking. When disliking your spouse creeps into your relationship, adjustment, tolerance, mutual respect, trust, and compatibility bids goodbye from your married life. When you feel that your married life is not what you expected it to be, your relationship withers away. You just want an out from your marriage. Neither do you have any qualms about divorcing your spouse. It is sad that even older couples resort to divorce, making their years of togetherness meaningless. Do you think divorce will put an end to the agony you're suffering from? Far from it. The finality of your divorce makes you depressed about the short lifespan of your love. You're alarmed when divorce leaves your children emotionally shattered. You're at your tether end to handle the financial mess your broken marriage brings along. You feel miserable that your marriage should end in failure. All these unhappy experiences can be avoided if only you pay attention to the finer aspects of your marriage, which could easily prevent divorce from happening to you. Shall we now look at the 5 simple ways to avoid divorce? The number 1 way to avoid divorce is by accepting the individuality of your spouse. After marriage, you expect your spouse to change according to your liking. This is where the first seed of dissent is sowed in your relationship. Unless you accept the individuality of your spouse, your marriage cannot survive. Realize that your spouse is an individual with his or her own unique wishes and desires. Being married to you in no way changes it. Too much intrusion into the personal zone of your spouse makes him or her resentful. Never ever commit this relationship mistake. Allow your spouse enough space to do things his or her way. Do not make negative comments about the way your spouse does his or her work. Making rude and unwanted comments makes your spouse turn resentful against you. Never utter words about the upbringing of your spouse. The love your spouse has for his or her family makes him or her revolt against your unwarranted comments. The number 2 way of avoiding divorce is to stop the habit of ridiculing your spouse. When you make fun of your spouse, he or she is naturally enraged. Comparing your spouse with others in a lesser light makes his or her hackles rise in frustrated anger. Nagging your spouse about his or her way of doing things is a big no. Wife nags her husband threadbare for his laziness, irresponsibility, and for ignoring family duties. Husband ridicules his wife as if she was a nitwit in handling financial dealings and for her way of doing things. Both are wrong in behaving so. You should treat each other with respect. You should appreciate the good points of your spouse. Appreciation brings in many positive changes in your marriage. Being supportive to the emotional needs of your spouse builds up your marriage. Do not degrade your spouse before others. The number 3 way to avoid divorce is by keeping the communication between you loving. After a few years of marriage, both stop communicating with each other. If at all you talk, it is about some important family problems. And discussing family issues are always sensitive and confrontational. Both never agree to the viewpoint of the other and invariably end your discussion by bitterly fighting about it. When there are frequent fights between you, uneasy silence prevails in your home. You spend your time at home doing your own thing and your spouse is occupied doing his or her own thing. How can you enjoy your married life if you live like strangers? So, never stop communicating with your spouse. Talk just about everything with him or her. Share all your emotions with your spouse. Be humorous and fun-loving. When you have diversified thoughts from that of your spouse, do not convert it into a fight. If at all you have arguments, forget your anger immediately. Never retire to bed in anger. Always greet each other with a smile in the morning. It transforms your today into a great day. Appreciate the good points of your spouse. Always fight fair. The number 4 way to avoid divorce is by giving time to understand each other. During your dating days, you thought your spouse was flawless. Your spouse also thinks so. It's because both put your best foot forward to show just your good aspects to him or her. You also build up a false image of your spouse based on the false image he or she projected before you. Both reveal your true colors only after your marriage. And you're taken aback when your spouse sheds his or her mask of goodness. And the real person behind the mask is not exactly the person you loved and cherished. So you begin making much ado about the minor faults of your spouse. You think the habits of your spouse are infuriating. You feel that your spouse is very dull and boring. How could I have thought that my spouse was interesting? He or she is in fact a drag, you fume inwardly. These are such needless negative emotions just because your rosy dreams were broken, aren't they? Understand the simple fact that your love days are real, but your married life is reality to the core. Bid goodbye to your rosy and unrealistic expectations and become grounded. A dreamy marriage does not exist for anyone. Give time for your marriage to settle down. Never take a magnifying glass to find mistakes about your spouse. Never try to change your spouse. Accept your spouse for what he or she is. Do not cling to your spouse in the name of love. Be tolerant and adjustable. The number 5 way to avoid divorce is by never allowing third-party intrusion. Do you know your parents are sometimes the reason behind your divorce? It is because they unknowingly make you prejudiced against your spouse. They give you wrong advice and you listen to them. Your parents interfere into your fights and blow it out of proportion. In fact, they encourage you to divorce. Your spouse does not deserve you. You will find a better person. They spit out words of venom against your spouse. Never let your parents decide your married life. They have no business to do it. Your parents always see everything from your angle. So, their views are very biased. Never make the mistake of going to your parents with your relationship problems. Sort it out personally with your spouse. This is the easiest way to find solutions for your relationship problems. What are the concluding thoughts about divorce? Divorce might seem an easy option to you, but its aftermath is mostly tragic and heartbreaking. Save your marriage from ending in the divorce court. When you do so, you save your life from tears and remorse you will feel when you end your marriage tragically. Can you now see how divorce can be easily avoided? Marriage realities will open your eyes to many more angles of marriage. Subscribe to my channel to know more about the nuances of relationship. Press the bell icon to get latest updates about magical tips to make your married life a lovable coexistence. Thank you for watching.